So definitely vias play a critical role in the high-speed signal transmission. So here are some of the ways and how they influence the signal integrity. So vias can introduce impedance changes along the signal path. So one example, layman's example that I could use is, if you have pipes in your house and the pipes keep changing sizes, you're going to have very irregular water flow. And so that could be an analogy for, the discontinuities that you would have. So due to variations in the via geometries and placements of your vias, the signals traveling through these different vias may experience skew, resulting in discrepancies in arrival times. So that's one issue. Longer via stub lengths can introduce additional resistance and capacitance, leading to higher signal attenuation. And also, when vias are closely spaced, the EM fields generated by adjacent signal traces can interfere with each other, inducing crosstalk. And then lastly, improper via placement can disrupt the return paths for signals, causing ground bounds and power delivery noise. So these are really important to keep track of as well in terms of your via placements.